Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Friday. I'm glad you're joining me this morning because it is a beautiful summer day. I'm out camping and we are going to be making solar s'mores. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. So you're going to want to stick around for that. But first, of course, we have to play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find them. The Quapple, of course, is our education logo right there in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it. There is 5 Quapples in this s'mores display for you to find. I'm sure many of you have gone by a s'mores display like this when you go grocery shopping. About 20 seconds left. Let me know if you find them. Good morning, Garrett. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're watching in the comments. 10 seconds. Are you able to find all 5? 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer. All 5. I keep wanting to say snores. My mouth is not wanting to say s'mores right now. 5 Quapples for you. Were you able to find them? If you did, great job. If you did not, no worries. We'll play again next week. So good job trying. Just be here right at 9:30 so you have enough time to find them. So today we are making solar ovens to cook s'mores. So what are you going to need to gather? You're going to need a small cardboard box. Personal pizza boxes work really well. Plastic wrap, foil, black construction paper, a wooden skewer, and s'mores supplies. I don't know why I'm struggling with that. Can you relate? How are you saying s'mores this morning? Your s'mores supplies, of course, the graham cracker, the chocolate, and the marshmallow. If you like Reese's on your s'mores, if you have not tried Reese's on your s'mores, I would. I had Reese's for this project, but then I ate them all before I did it. Whoops. But I had chocolate, so I used chocolate. So how are you going to set this up? First, of course, you're going to need to find the perfect small cardboard box and have your parent help you cut that oven door flap on the top. The size depends on how many s'mores you want to cook. I made the largest door for maximum s'mores capacity. Then, if you want, you can decorate the outside of your s'mores box. I added Quest Blue construction paper and our logo, and I drew some suns and put a little title on there. And I know you're better at crafts, so you can do this. I then put the black construction paper down in the bottom of the box. I actually didn't have black construction paper, so I used these little black squares, but they work perfectly. Then you're gonna glue that aluminum foil to that top flap. That will reflect the sun down into your box. Make sure it's angled nicely. Next, you'll take your s'mores out and you're gonna set them out. The graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the chocolate. I might suggest you put the chocolate on top of the graham cracker, then the marshmallow, because you're gonna see the chocolate melt so fast that I made a mess on the plastic wrap because it was already melting. So it might do better on the bottom of the graham cracker because it doesn't have much places to go because mine slid off the marshmallow a little bit. So now that I have this, I'm gonna let it sit and cook. So what is gonna happen now that my s'mores are cooking? Well, we know the sun is our main heat source, and this black construction paper down in the bottom here, oops, it's not wanting me to draw, is absorbing that heat, making the oven hotter. The aluminum foil is reflecting the sun into the oven, and the plastic wrap is trapping the air and keeping it hot all around our s'mores. Pretty cool, right? So let's go ahead and watch my s'mores cook. The chocolate, as I said, naturally starts melting very quickly. I got chocolate on my hands and the plastic wrap, and it starts to kind of slide off, but it's that marshmallow that's really gonna take the time to cook. You can see them puffing up there and kind of falling over, which has also led the chocolate to kind of lean off to the side. But I left it out for about 90 minutes, and I decided I needed to eat them. So I said it was good, and here is my final product in their gooey goodness and just as yummy. You can see the chocolate on the side of my marshmallow now, but if you don't get chocolate on your face when you eat s'mores, is it really a s'more? Perfect gooey marshmallow. Can you believe that? And no fire. so it's safer, right? And we get to make crafts. Very good, 10 out of 10, and I can assure you that I did eat both. See, look at that marshmallow, perfectly squishy. We'll put the instructions in the comments so that you can go out and make your own solar ovens for your s'mores. Be sure to send us the pictures of your solar ovens. I know you can make some that are a little bit more beautiful than this, so be sure and share that with us. I hope you have a great weekend and great s'mores. I hope you join us on Monday, though, because we are doing a magic art project with water and paper towels. It's going to be so fun, so make sure you're joining me right here Monday at 9:30. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.